Ever had the feeling you're just a number in the system? Well, in Oz you kind of are. Your canonical user ID is a long, mysterious string that helps AWS keep track of who's who. It's super useful for cross-account permissions, especially in S3. We'll cover different ways to find it, so no need to guess your way through AWS like a lost explorer. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Imagine a secret handshake that AWS uses to recognize you. That's your canonical user ID. It's like your AWS fingerprint, unique and essential for access control, especially in S3. We'll explore where this ID comes from and how you can find it, so you don't have to go on a scavenger hunt through AWS settings. Think of a canonical user ID as your digital name tag in AWS. It tells the system who you are without spilling all your secrets. It's particularly useful for cross-account access and permissions in S3. So, if you ever wondered who's knocking on the AWS door, this ID is the key. If AWS account ID were phone numbers, canonical user ID would be email addresses. Both identify users, but in different ways. AWS account ID are numeric and apply to entire accounts, while canonical user ID are hashed strings used mainly for S3 permissions. Don't mix them up, they serve different purposes. Let's talk about the magic behind cross-account access. The canonical user ID is like your backstage pass in AWS, allowing secure connections without messy credential sharing. It plays a key role in defining who gets access to what and ensures resources are shared efficiently. Imagine it as the secret handshake between AWS accounts. It makes life easier while keeping security tight. If S3 were a nightclub, the canonical user ID would be your VIP badge. It ensures that only the right accounts get access to your precious data. Whether in bucket policies or ACLs, it prevents mix-ups and keeps permissions clear. No more oops, wrong guest list moments, just seamless, secure access to the storage you need. The catch. While canonical user ID is powerful, it's not perfect. It's like a long, cryptic code you can't memorize, and unfortunately, it doesn't work everywhere. IAM roles don't recognize it, for example. It helps with access control, but doesn't replace AWS IAM entirely. In large multi-account environments, managing it can feel like untangling headphone wires. Mistakes happen, and with canonical user ID, they can be frustrating. One common error is using an AWS account ID instead of the actual canonical ID. Big oops. Permissions issues can also block retrieval, making troubleshooting tricky. Plus, IAM roles and canonical ID often get mixed up, leading to access errors. But don't worry, we'll untangle these mistakes soon. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.